Amazing pets, fun facts and friends for kids. Hello, pet lovers. Welcome to our Amazing Pets adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about some of our favorite furry, feathered, and scaly friends. Are you ready to meet them? Let's go. Pets can be a lot of fun to take care of. Pets can be furry, fluffy, feathered, or scaly. Each pet is special and has its own way of showing love. Let's start by meeting some of the most popular pets. Dogs are known for their loyalty and love. They come in many breeds, shapes, sizes and colors, like playful puppies and big, fluffy dogs. Do you have a favorite dog breed? Next, we have the cat. Cats are known for being independent and curious. They love to play with toys and curl up in cozy spots. What's your favorite thing to do with a cat? Now let's meet the bird. Birds can be very colorful and love to chirp and sing. They can even learn to talk. Do you have a favorite bird song? And don't forget the fish. Fish are quiet and peaceful pets. Watching them swim can be very relaxing. Fish, what kind of fish would you like to have? Fun pet facts. Dogs have an amazing sense of smell and can sniff out treats from far away. Cats have special whiskers that help them feel. Birds can see a lot of colors, and some fish can change colors. Taking care of pets is very important. Let's see what our pets need to stay happy and healthy. Dogs need exercise and love to play fetch. They also need regular baths and brushing. Cats need clean litter boxes and love to scratch on their scratch posts. They also enjoy being petted and playing with toys. Birds need fresh food and water, and they love to fly around in their cages. They also need time outside their cage to stretch their wings. Fish need clean water and the right kind of food. It's important to keep their tank clean and make sure they have the right temperature. Let's talk about some fun activities you can do with your pets. You can play fetch with your dog, teach your cat new tricks, or let your bird sing along to your favorite songs. And don't forget to watch your fish swim and decorate their tank with cool stuff. It's time for a pet challenge. Can you name a pet that has feathers? That's right. A bird. Now, can you think of a pet that loves to swim? Exactly. A fish. Great job, everyone. Today, we learned all about different pets, what they need to stay happy, and some fun things we can do with them. From dogs to fish, each pet is special and deserves lots of love. See you next time.